Good morning to everyone. I am very glad to participate in this paper presentation. I am here to present about the world's tallest statue, that is the Statue of Unity. I am SS Venkat pursuing BTech Civil Engineering in Bharat Engineering College, Hyderabad. This slide shows index of presentation. Coming to next slide, in this I want to explain why we need the Statue of Unity. As we knew, our country was ruled by several foreigners like Britishers and so on. Due to their ruling, our country was divided into n number of states, kingdoms, provinces, and so on. Due to this, there was no unity among the people. At that time, Patel struggled a lot to unite all these states into one whole nation, that is India. This is not just a statue, but also concept depicts the concept of nationalism into the people's mind and heart. It also improves railways, roadways, and airway connectivity with neighboring states, and also accelerate the Indian tourism industry. In this slide, we can see the exact location of the statue in Gujarat map. And the Statue of Unity was completed in 2013 and it was inaugurated on 31st October 2018, which is anniversary of Patel's birth. This statue is located in Kevadia colony in Narmada district. Here we can see the top tallest statues of the world. Among these, our Statue of Unity is the tallest statue. Excluding the base, the total height of the statue is 182 meters. The number 182 represents the total number of seats in Gujarat Legislative Assembly. In 2010, there was a Statue of Unity movement which helped a lot for the collection of the scrap iron from the farmers. This scrap iron is used for the construction of the statue. This slide shows the designer of the Statue of Unity. His name is Ram V. Sutar, one of the famous designer of our country. The total project was handled by L&T company, which is one of the leading infrastructure company. The project worth 3000 crores. Before constructing the original statue, the team made three models of various heights: 3 feet, 18 feet, and 30 feet. The slenderness ratio of the statue is 16:19. What is slenderness ratio? It is the ratio between the height of the structure and width of the structure. Here we can see the image of TMD device. The TMD is termed as tuned mass damper. What is the purpose of TMD device? It can protect the statue against mechanical vibrations and other damage. The total weight of the device is 250 tons. Here, the whole statue is placed on this TMD device, so this device is not visible to the visitors. The Statue of Unity has two outstanding features. First one is the statue can withstand against the wind speed of 180 km per hour, and the second one is it can withstand against the earthquake of 6.5 Richter scale. The L&T company acquired 3000 workers and 250 engineers to complete the construction of the statue. The materials required for the construction of the statue are cement concrete, structural steel, reinforced steel, and bronze cladding. In this slide, we can also see the quantities required for the construction of the statues of the respective materials. Now, it is an interesting thing to know the parts of the statue are sealed with respective bronze panels. These bronze panels were imported from China through sea route. This bronze act like a skin of the statue. This is the image of the site Sadhu Bet Hillock before construction of the statue. It was flattened from 70 meters to 55 meters. The statue and its surroundings are classified into 5 zones and numbered from 1 to 5, each zone having its own identity. In this, we can see that from the base to the knee is considered as first zone, from the knee to the thigh as second, from thigh to the belly as third, from the belly to the shoulders as fourth, and the remaining head as fifth. Like this, they have classified the statue into 5 zones. Here you can see the viewing gallery, which is located in third zone. Here the statue have two legs, each leg having single lift system, so that the visitors can move towards the viewing gallery through one leg, and they can come back through another leg. The Statue of Unity can be seen within 7 kilometers of radius with naked eye. The total area of the statue acquired is 5 acres. Now I am going to say about project progress. It has different steps. The design of the statue was produced by using 3D scanning technique. Nextly, they have constructed the temporary steel bridge. Here is the image of bund wall. The main purpose of the bund wall is to avoid the escape of material. Here we can see the rebar fixing process. The rebar is a consolidated form of scrap iron. In previous slide we have seen the scrap iron, the collection of scrap iron from the farmers. That scrap iron is consolidated into the solid form, which is known as rebar. Here this is the image of raft foundation, which is the base point of the Statue of Unity. The total height of the raft foundation is 3 meters. From this raft foundation there are n number of columns and rows are raised. Some more activities taken place during the construction of the statue are geotechnical survey, cleaning, anti-termite treatment, and PCC work. The purpose of geotechnical survey is to collect the properties of the soil, and the anti-termite treatment provides chemical barrier for the structure against subterranean termite. The PCC is termed as plain cement concrete. Here we can see the image of permanent main bridge, which replaces the temporary one in previous slide. The purpose of this bridge is for the transportation of men and material from the bank to the site. Here we can see the image of infrastructure which is provided by the local government. It provides accommodation for the 800 workers. We can also see the image of single bronze panel. Similarly, they have used 5000 bronze panels. The final stages of the construction of the statue are step excavation and backfilling. The backfilling is nothing but the refilling of the void spaces with the excavated rock. In initial stages, the rock is excavated and kept aside. That rock again reused as refilling material in these voids. The main two challenges faced during the construction of the statue are minimizing the undesirable movements and resisting the loads. I am very proud to say that the Statue of Unity is a tribute to the Indian engineering skills. Here the list of references regarding the Statue of Unity. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Jai Hind.